Pret met Afrikaans. Fun with Afrikaans. Please note for grade 1s, all Afrikaans vocabulary taught does not need to be written or read in grade 1. The learners must just know it orally. Beginklanke. Beginning sounds. Today we are going to learn about some beginning sounds in English and Afrikaans. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with the B sound. In English, we say B. Can you say B? Great! Now in Afrikaans, we also say B. Can you say B in Afrikaans? Awesome! Let's try it with some words. In Afrikaans, we have beer en pet. Beer en pet. Beer en pet. That's right. Beer is bear and bed is bed. Now let's move to the D sound. In English, we say D. Can you say D? Excellent. In Afrikaans, we also say D. Can you say D in Afrikaans? Fantastic. Let's use it in some words. In Afrikaans, we say dogtertjie, dogtertjie, dogtertjie. 3, 3, 3. That's right. Dogtertjie is a little girl. 3 is the number 3. Now let's move to the P sound. Can you say P in English? Excellent. In Afrikaans, we also say P. Can you say P in Afrikaans? Fantastic. Let's use it in some words. In Afrikaans, we say pap, pap, pap. That's right. Pap is porridge. And we also say pru, pru, pru. That's right. Pru means to taste. Now let's do the S sound. In English, we say S. Can you say S? Wonderful. In Afrikaans, we also say S. Can you say S in Afrikaans? Great. Let's use it in some words. In Afrikaans, we have stoele, 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 chairs, sit, 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 sit. They sound very the same, right? Let's say them again. Sit, sit, sit. Finally, let's do the W sound. In English, we say W. Can you say w? Excellent. In Afrikaans, the w is pronounced like a v. Can you say v? Great. Let's use it in some words. In Afrikaans, we have warm, warm, warm. Hot, wie, wie, wie. Who. Wow, you did an amazing job today. Remember, practicing these sounds will help you get even better at speaking English and Afrikaans. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.